Are you struggling to install the pattern package in your Python 3.6 Anaconda environment? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, and today we're going to unravel the mystery behind it. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you encounter installation errors. It feels like you're hitting a wall, especially when you're eager to get started on your project. You're definitely in the right place for help. Here's the situation. A user recently tried to install the pattern package using pip and encountered an error about parentheses around print. They also attempted to use Conda but faced an unsatisfiable error due to Python version conflicts. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's going on here? The pattern package is primarily designed for Python 2.7, which is why you're running into these issues with Python 3.6. But don't worry, there are workarounds we can explore together. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to successfully installing the pattern package, and I promise you'll feel accomplished. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to check if the pattern package is compatible with Python 3.6. The user should first confirm that they are using the correct version of Python in their Anaconda environment. Next, the user should create a new Anaconda environment specifically for Python 3.6. This can help avoid conflicts with other packages. After activating the new environment, the user can try installing the pattern package using pip. This is important because the Conda package may not be compatible. If the installation still fails, the user can consider using an alternative package or a different library that provides similar functionality. It's essential to explore other options. Finally, if the user is still facing issues, they can look for community support or forums where similar problems have been discussed. This can provide additional insights. Fun fact, did you know that the pattern package is often used for web mining and natural language processing? It's a powerful tool once you get it installed. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution shared by another user involves cloning the pattern package directly from GitHub. They suggest using the command git clone-b development h/github.com/clip/pattern, followed by navigating into the pattern directory and running sudo python 3.6 setup.py install. The user also encountered SSL errors during installation on macOS. They resolved this by running a Python script to create an unverified HTTPS context and downloading the WordNet IC resource from NLTK. Finally, they confirmed that the pattern en module was successfully running in Python 3.6 by importing it and parsing a word. Human, let's check out another perspective from a different user. One alternative solution comes from a user who successfully installed the pattern package using Anaconda with Python 3.7 on Windows Subsystem for Linux. They created a new environment with the command conda create end test-c conda forge Pythonese 3.7 pattern and activated it with conda activate test. The user also identified a bug related to stop iteration due to PEP 479. They fixed it by replacing raise stop iteration with return in the pattern text init file. They found the file location using a command and edited it with nano. After making these changes, the user reported that everything worked fine. Here's a pro tip. If you continue to face issues, consider creating a new Anaconda environment specifically for Python 2.7. This can help you avoid conflicts and make installation smoother. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to install the pattern package successfully. Remember, troubleshooting can be a journey, but with persistence, you can overcome any obstacle. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips.